Good morning. I have a 20 kW Generac standby generator. About 7 years old. Recently, during a power outage, it stopped running. Went out to restart it and nothing. Turned it off. Went back to bed. Called the Generac dealer/repair company and they sent out a guy. He worked for about 3 hours, sold me a battery I didn't need and finally said I need a new stepper motor. Charged me $1,200. They were supposed to send me the stepper motor and I would put it in. Well, they didn't send to me, said my CC wasn't any good. So bought one online and installed it myself. No big deal. In the meantime, I took off the panel on the transfer switch to find the transfer switch was totally fried. Not sure what happened, but I think the repair guy fried it trying to start the generator without turning the breaker off or the main disconnect off. In the meantime, I started the generator every day in manual mode. Got the transfer switch and put that in. Did a test run with breaker and main off but was hard to start. Used a little starting fluid and it started right up. So yesterday during its weekly test, it wouldn't start at all. But during this process it put the transfer switch into generator mode. I don't think that's what it's supposed to do. I don't want to call the company back and pay them another $1,000 to not fix it. Hopefully you can help me solve this problem. I have not adjusted the valves. Thanks.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Generac generator?
Last 9 months ago.
What have you tried so far with your Generac generator?
Have you seen my question above? It tells you everything I've done recently.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Is the unit gas or natural gas? You will also want to check the oil on the engine and the spark plugs if it is like the Generac that I had. I'm not a Generac expert, but I hope this helps.
Thanks, Michael. It's propane and I've checked all that stuff. I need a person very familiar with Generac standby generators. Thanks again for replying. Anyone else out there?
Short of Generac themselves, I'm not sure. Sorry.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.